Let us quickly recall what we have done yesterday. I said locus means you call any point on the curve as ph comma k, apply the condition, let ph comma k be any point on locus. Then what you should do? Apply the condition, obtain equation. When you after you obtain the equation, what you should do? Replace h by x, k by y to get the required curve. And I said, I think what was circle equation in standard form? X square y square 2gx 2fy c is equal to 0. What was the center? What was the center? Minus of coefficient of x divided by 2. X coefficient is 2g divided by 2. Y coefficient is 2f divided by 2. You will obtain minus g comma minus f. What was the radius? Radius was root over g square plus f square minus. I think this is where we stopped yesterday. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You use marker and board in other subjects also. You still use book and pen.
And sir.
Book and pen, sir.
Here write this. One example. The join of चलो I think you know these 2 points. What is slope of line joining x1 comma y1? I told this earlier one. What is slope का formula? Slope का formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What happens when two lines are perpendicular? When two lines are perpendicular, what happens when
Slope is -1.
product of slopes
-1.
is -1? Apply these two logic. Apply these two ideas. You should get the answer. Come on. I have a line 2 comma 3 -1 comma 4. It is subtending a right angle at a point P. What is the angle here? 90. What shall we call P as? H comma K बोलेंगे. इसको A बोलो. इसको P बोलो. What is angle APB man? Pi by 2. What do you mean by angle APB pi by 2? Bolo.
90 degrees.
Slope of PA
-1.
into slope of PB is equal to -1. Come on, give me the answer. Get the locus, get the equation. Tell me what does it describes. बच्चों लोग, what is slope of PA? K minus 3 by H minus 2. Slope of PB K minus 4 by H plus 1. Cross multiply. Bring it here. What does it gives you? H minus 2 H plus 1 plus K minus 3 K minus 4 is equal to 0. What did I tell you? Locus में, climax में, आखिरी में क्या करना?
X and Y substitute.
Locus में, आखिरी में, climax में क्या करना?
X and Y substitute, sir.
No. Yeah. Replace H and, that's what I'm doing. Replace H and K by. Replace H and
X and
K
Y.
by X and Y. What will I get? x minus 2, x plus 1, y minus 3, y minus 4 is equal to 0. Don't leave it like that. ये क्या सूचित करता है? That also you find out. Come on. What will I get? X square y into y square यहाँ से plus x minus 2x plus x minus 2x क्या देगा? Minus x minus 4y minus 3y minus 4y minus 3y minus 4y minus 3y. What does it gives you? Minus 7y. Constant minus 2 plus 12 minus 2 plus 12. बच्चों लोग क्या है वो?
Plus 10.
Minus 2 plus 12. What is it?
Plus 10.
Locus is describing what? Locus is describing what? Can anybody give me explanation why it is describing a circle? Can anybody give an explanation why it is describing circle?
Angle subtended by semicircle is 9.
Very good. Very good. Saman number. Am I correct?
No, sir.
Yes.
Who gave the answer? Jasim hai?
Yes, sir.
Oh, angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Yeah, angle 90. Yeah, angle 90. इधर भी ले लो. Angle is 90. आपका P कहाँ कहाँ जा रहा है? A, B. Trace the path being traversed. Trace the path being traversed. Trace the path being traversed by the point P. What do these 2 points act as? What is your A here? 2, 3. What is your B here? Minus 1, 4. What are your A and B acting as? बच्चे लोग A and B acting as. बोल सकते हो? A and B are, what are they? Extremities of diameter. What is the idea used? What is the idea used? What is the idea used? Idea is what Jasim told. Angle in a semicircle is always a right angle. Angle in a semicircle is always a right angle.
One minute, sir.
Pardon me?
Please don't drop the right side, sir.
Yeah, no. Definitely not. Definitely not. Any doubts, any questions? This is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Here also, I will give the idea. I have a point. Point का नाम 3,4. What's the distance of this point from x-axis? बोलो जी.
5.
5 या? How will it be 5 man? कौन है वो? What's the
3,
distance
sir.
of
3.
point to
3,
x-axis?
3, sir.
3, sir. 3.
3, sir. 3.
3, 4 man. Distance from the point to x-axis is 4. Distance of the point to y-axis is 3. This is 3, this is 4. So distance from point to x-axis is 4. Point to y-axis is 3. I have a point B. Point P ko first what you will give the name? H comma K. What's the distance from P to x-axis?
K.
Why
K.
the distance is 4? Since the point was lying in first quadrant. But where P can lie? First, second, third, fourth. P can lie in 4 quadrants. Therefore, should you say K? No. What you should say?
Plus or minus.
Mod K. Distance from P to x-axis. Mod H. Come on. By hypothesis, what do we have? By hypothesis, what do we have? Convert this statement in English. Convert the statement in English into mathematical form. What does it say? What's a mathematical form? What's a mathematical form? Bolo ji.
Root over mod of h square plus mod of k square is equals to a.
Why root over?
Root h plus mod k is equals to a.
A. That's it. Why root over, man? Who is this? Is enough, man. Locus problems में क्या करना? Replace h and k by
X and y.
replace h and k by x and y. Now look here. In Q1, what does it becomes? What does it becomes? In Q2, what does it becomes? What does it becomes? In second quadrant, what happens?
Minus x
X
plus y is
negative,
equal
y
to a.
positive. So what does it becomes? In Q3, what does it becomes? In Q3, what does it becomes? Bolo ji.
Minus q minus y is equal to a.
In Q4, what does it becomes? In
X
Q4,
minus
what it becomes? Plot this. Y is equal to 0. X is A. X is equal to 0. Y is A. Here. Here. And finally here. Can you club all the four? Can you club all the four? What do I obtain? Angle between the sides is 90. Lengths are equal. What are these points, man? A0. Bolo. What are the angles here? 90, 90, 90, 90. First question. Equation to the locus is dash. Yeah, मिल गया. Second question. It describes. What does it describe?
square.
Square. How do you get the area? Get this triangle area multiplied by 4. 4 into, what's the triangle area? What's the base? A. Height. A. Half into A into A. What will I get, man? Any doubts? Any questions? Can I?
1 minute, sir.
Who is that? Please mute your mic. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
It takes more time to write the problem than the solution. More time to write the problem than the solution.
So first one answer x plus 3y is equals to 0.
No.
X plus y is equal to 4. B.
No. Convert that statement into mathematical form, man.
Y equal 3x.
No. You'll have a modulus sign distance. You are
Yes,
taking
sir,
point
model.
to be only in first quadrant. Point can be in first, second, third, fourth. Don't forget that. You should not say distance as h and k. You should say
Modulus of
modulus
h
of
plus
k.
modulus of 3k is equals to 0.
It is
Y
not
square is equal to
counted.
9x square.
It is not sum. Who is that plus? Sum means plus. Statement in English. Thrice बोल रहा है वो. So what is it? Distance from x-axis. What's the distance from P to x-axis?
Mod
From
of H
P
is
to x-axis.
Mod of H.
Mod of H equals 3 into mod of K.
P to x-axis, man. P to x-axis. Mod K is thrice the distance.
Not mod H.
What is that?
Mod H.
कुछ करने, there is nothing in the problem. This statement, which is in language called English, convert into mathematical form. Why you are getting plus sign, man? When you will get plus sign? Earlier problem we got plus sign. Why? Because he said sum. Is he saying sum here? No. This is what? Mod y is equal to. Next, you can't leave it like this. What we will do? Square. You can square. That's it. Next. There is nothing. Just convert into mathematical form. That's it. Whose distance from x-axis? Draw करूं? It will take more time to write the problem than the solution. Point P, h comma k. बोलो man. I should say right here by hypothesis. Once again, convert x-axis mod k. Convert statement in English into mathematical form. I'll call this as A. Whose distance from x-axis? What is that? By hypothesis, PA is equal to 1/5 of OP. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is PA? Mod K. OP under root of h square plus k square. Chalo, clear?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Like 5 times mod k is equal to under root of h square plus k square. दोनों तरफ स्क्वायर करो. 25 k square is equal to h square is equal to h you replace by x, k you replace by y. If you want, you can make that replacement in the first step also. No issues. And as somebody said yesterday, you can start instead of h comma k, p you can call x comma y also and start. What you will call, shall I give a hint? What you will call P?
H comma
Let P be H comma K. You will call the first point as A बोलेंगे. What is your A? What is your B? By hypothesis, what do we have? PA is to PB. बच्चे लोग, PA is to PB is how much one? What does it gives you? PA. Am I correct? What will you get? 2PA. Sorry. Cross multiply. क्या आएगा? 2PA is equal to PB square. 4PA square equal to PB square. Come on. 4 times. Complete the problem now. Complete the formalities. Give me the answer first.
Sir, it describes the circle.
Correct. Who is this name?
Saman Numir, sir.
Shabash. बच्चे लोग, what is PA square? 4 into, what is PA square man? H minus 2 whole square, K plus 3 whole square. What is PB square? H plus 3 whole square, K plus 2 whole square. Now remaining part is simplification. What you will get? 4H square, 4K square. How many H? Minus 8H, 8 fours, 6 fours. What's the constant one? 9 plus 4, 13. 13 fours. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 fours. 52. Right hand side. H square, K square plus 6H plus 4K plus 13. Agreed?
Sir.
Sir,
Next step. You tell me when. How many H? 38H. How many k? 52 minus 13. 39. What's the locus? Replace h and k by x and y. How do you know? What does it represent?
Circle.
Divide by 3. X square plus y square.
Here it will come.
Sir, that 30, it won't be 32H na, sir.
क्या बोले?
Sir, 16H.
Sir, that won't be 32H.
16H, sir.
16H.
Okay, okay, sorry. पहले बोला नहीं जी. 16 and 6, 22. और कहीं मिस्टेक? और कहीं मिस्टेक नहीं ना? प्लस 20/3y लोकस किसे सूचित करता है? सर्कल. I'm waiting for the answer. I will not do this. आप आंसर बोलोगे मैं लिखूंगा.
Sir,
बोलो.
in this problem, we found 2p equal to 2pb. 2p equal to pb, no sir. Then why are you squaring after that?
Because you will have a square root. No, how can you simplify square roots?
Yes, sir.
PA will have square root. PB will have square root. You cannot simplify. You have to eliminate square root. No.
Yes, sir. Yes. Got it.
Next one answer man. Answer man. Next one. बच्चों लोग answer. Right angle triangle. Hypotenuse. What are the ends? Locus of third vertex. Locus of third vertex.
Origin.
How do you know its origin, man?
Sir, I got x square plus y square minus 7x minus 7y equal to 0.
Shabash. Let this be two methods, man. इसको P बोलेंगे. What is method one? मैं बोलूं. PA square plus PB square is equal to AB square. What is this name? Pythagoras theorem. You apply Pythagoras theorem, but this will be laborious, man. What is easy way? What is easy way? Bolo ji.
Slope.
Slope m1
A into bolo slope of PB. You apply Pythagoras theorem also, you get the answer. But that will be laborious. This will be easy, man. Use the second one. Answer आ जाएगा. What is slope of PA? A minus 0 by H minus 7. Slope of PB. बोलो man. A plus 7 by H minus 0. Cross multiply. What will I get? H into H. H into H minus 7. H into H minus 7 plus K into K plus 7 is equal to 0. Cross multiply, bring it here. Replace H and K by X and Y. What is center? 7 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2. Midpoint of these two.
Excuse me, sir. How you are saying that center is 7/2, comma minus 7/2?
I explained, Norman, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. I started the class with that only. Center is midpoint of these two, man.
Yes,
What
sir.
are A and
Yes.
B? Adnan, what are A and B?
Vertices.
Extremities of diameter, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
लोग का क्या describe कर रहा?
Circle.
Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So what do A and B become? We have done this earlier. What do
Yes,
A
sir.
and
Yes,
B
sir.
become?
Extremities of diameter.
So what's the center?
Midpoint of A and B.
वही लिखा.
Yes, sir. Now understood.
I want whole class attention. If you have do not write, listen to the logic first. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want whole class attention. All of you, please look at the board. Do not look here and there. Look here. Pay attention. Do not write. Listen here, all of you. A and B are 2 points. They both are fixed. A and B are 2 points. A and B are fixed. Point P was moving everywhere in the plane. I was both irritated by P. Both gussa. Wherever I go, it is behind me. In spite of me giving repeated warnings, it is not listening to me. I told P, look, Mr. P, you useless fellow, with respect to A and B, you form a triangle, and the triangle area should be some alpha. I told P, look, Mr. P, with respect to A and B, you form a triangle. उस triangle का area होना alpha. चलो, P इधर आ गया. Triangle area is alpha. Can P go here? If this triangle area is alpha, will this triangle area be alpha? Tell me, man.
Yes, sir. Yes.
अरे दूर चला गया ना एक एरिया इंग्लिश में बताओ होने वाला यार
No, sir. No, sir.
प्लीज रहम करो पॉइंट दूर चला गया जी हाउ कैन द ट्रायंगल हैव सेम इक्वल एरिया गॉट द लॉजिक P cannot go here here देखो when I said P is here triangle area is alpha इधर इतना दूर चला गया will the triangle have same area
No, sir.
Therefore, what's the idea used in geometry? What's the idea used in geometry? Pure geometry में पढ़ना स्कूल में ये triangles between parallel lines with a fixed base have, what do they have? Equal area. This is the idea used. If you haven't read in school, आपके स्कूल को जाओ, आपके मैथ्स के टीचर को फूल का हार, मिठाई का डब्बा. Look here. This is P. P cannot go here. P cannot come here. Where P can move? P can move here. Same area. P can move here. Same area. P can move here. Same area. Join all these points. What do you obtain? A line. How is this line? How is this line? How is this line? Speak out, man. Parallel to AB.
Parallel to AB.
Parallel to AB. It is happening on one side. It is happening on one side. बेचारा ये side क्या गलत करा? Can happen to the other side also. This is your P. That's why I said read the statement. Triangles between two parallel lines. Triangles between two parallel lines with a fixed base always have equal area. This is what property I'm using. So, what's the conclusion? If A and B are fixed points and P is a variable point such that delta PAB is equal to K. K is a constant. Then locus of P describes that. What's the answer? What's the answer? It describes bolo, a pair of what lines? What lines?
Parallel line.
Parallel lines. Which are, how are these lines? Parallel to the fixed line. What's a fixed line? AB. Locus of P describes a pair of parallel lines. Can you see that in the figure? A pair of parallel lines which are fixed, which are parallel to the fixed line AB. Come on, you write this, then you start. Solution is simple. Chalo. Start solving the problem. First copy this, then you write the solution. Start doing the problem.
Excuse me, sir. What is that written after point P moves?
Point.
Sir, what is that after point P moves? in question.
Point P moves, that symbol is such that.
Okay, sir.
What is this symbol?
Belongs
Belongs to.
Belongs to.
This symbol such that. This symbol there exists. This symbol
for all.
for all. अदनान MS स्कूल में पढ़े?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. You didn't read this in school geometry?
No, sir.
Very
sir.
good. Very good. Anyway, it's common sense one. You can clearly see from the figure. Figure से साफ दिख जाता. If the lines are inclined, अगर lines intersect हो रहे, can this happen? No, it will
No.
not. It will not. So lines have to be parallel. Then only it happens.
Sir,
बोलो.
this will happen only if the base of the triangle and the line are parallel.
हाँ?
This will happen. The areas will be equal if one and only if the bases and the line are parallel.
I did not get you. Base and the line are parallel.
Yes, sir. There is a line now, sir.
The join of two fixed points will always be a line, no?
No, sir. Those two fixed point and the line P. You drawn, no, sir. That
Yeah, these both
parallel.
are parallel, no?
If they both parallel, if they should be parallel, sir.
They have to be parallel. Then only triangles will have equal areas.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Answer for the question, man.
So I got answer as locus is x minus y is equal to plus or minus 7.
No. Triangle area, no. What is your P? What is your A? What is your B? What is delta PAB? Remember, this is both determinant and modulus. Jasim, what you said is correct. If you remove modulus, you'll get plus or minus. What will I get? Well, h minus 0, k minus 0. Next, h minus 1, k minus 2. Right hand side 7. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cross multiply. What does it gives you? H, k, h minus 1, k minus 2, 14. I'm expanding determinant. Remember, this will have two. This is two symbols. One determinant, one modulus. One determinant, one modulus. Both are hidden. So once I remove determinant and modulus, what does it gives me? Hk minus 2h. Am I correct? Minus hk plus k is equal to. Jasim, you got the same?
Yes, sir. But I wrote 7, sir, by mistake.
Hk will cancel off. What will I get? Or what do I have? Minus 2h plus k is equal to plus or minus 14. Multiply with minus sign. What will I get? 2x minus y minus plus 14. Hello. Answer can be written in two methods. What is method 1? This you will come across later. Why later? Next week when I do straight lines. Two parallel lines. I told in system of equations. Two parallel lines follow always differ by what? Their constants. Didn't I tell you this? System of equations mein, you can clearly see these two lines are parallel. But in some books, sometimes answer is given in this way also. To avoid this plus or minus sign, he'll square. What do you obtain squaring on both sides? Boloman, 2x minus y whole square equal to 4x square plus y square. Right hand side, what is 14 square?
96.
Answer you can write this or this. Sometimes options may they give this. Sometimes they give this. You have to decide or you have to mark the answer based on the option.
Sir,
Ah,
we got 2x minus y is plus or minus 14. Then how should we say it is parallel line?
yeah, that this part you cannot say right now. Right now, we'll ask you equation and leave. To tell about these parts, you should know geometry. That's why I said you will do it next year, next week. When you do straight lines, you will know
Okay,
it.
sir. Okay, sir.
Just now I told, and again you ask the same question, man. Hello. हर प्रॉब्लम में wherever describes is there, describes he will not ask you in exam. Describes you can tell perfectly when you finish off geometry or when you do geometry. We are at the beginning of geometry. It's only on my interest. I want to give more info. That's why I'm writing describes. Chalo. Come on, fast. I'm waiting. What do you mean by 2PA? 2PA equal to 3PB. क्या करना?
Square.
4PA square equal to 9PB square. 4 into what is PA square? What is PB square? Plus सिंप्लीफाई करो जी, उसे कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसे. हाँ, बच्चे लोग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 4h
4h
square
square plus
4k
4k
square.
square.
Right hand side 9h square 9k square 4 2s 8 8 9s 72 6 6 9s 54. Whoa. 16 plus 9 20 16 plus 9 25 25 nines 225 yeah
144, sir. 15 9, sir.
25 into 9
225, sir.
what do you go 144
I said for 16 into 9.
huh
I said for 16 into 9, sir.
no 5x square 5y square अब बोलो अब बाकी के सेम है ना 72x 54y 225 x square y square 72 by 5x 54 by 5y 225 by 5 कितना है locus will describe circle do I have time for one more problem shall I stop
And sir, you can continue one more problem.
can I do one more
Yes.
you please come on time as soon as your chemistry class over switch on once you are done with chemistry class between 1:15 1:20 definitely I leave you you start early go early which is linear with this also I told collinear we have done in last week area of a triangle में I described what is collinear के लिए what's the easy method I said
Slopes are
Slope
equal.
is 0. Slope are equal.
it's not slope is zero whenever slope is zero
Slope are equal.
equal man
Slopes are equal, sir.
A B T A you call B you call P you call slope of AB slope of PB come on give the answer what is slope of AB
Minus
5
1 by 3.
minus 3 by minus 4 minus 2 K minus 5 by बोलो जी h plus 4 करेक्ट है 5 minus 3
प्लस
क्या हुआ -6 a minus 5 by h plus 4 करेक्ट है
यस सर
2 goes 3 times -1 by 3 is equals to a minus 5 by h plus 4 cross multiply minus h minus 4 3k minus 15 h plus 3k plus 4 minus 11 equal to 0 correct है
प्लस
h and k should be replaced by लोकस किसे डिस्क्राइब करता है straight line thank you you can leave please be on time we'll start sharp at 11:45 I'll leave you sharp at 1:15 thank you
थैंक यू सर बाय
can I switch off
1 minute, sir.
1 minute sir 1 minute done sir bye sir